Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travels.
Lori here.
In this video here, we're going to take a stroll through Ajijic, Mexico. As we go for our morning walk, we'll let you see what it looks like, see what the streets look like, see what the businesses look like, and look at this beautiful mural as Lori walks here, actually in Chapala here. And also I'm going to give some tips on the things that to do and not do. That'll help you out to come into Mexico and be a lot easier transition. And then I'm going to talk about some of the good, the bad, and the ugly also, and give you some explanations how come they're this way and the reason why they're this way. So stay tuned, and we're going to take this little jaunt through Ajijic, Mexico. We love Mexico, and we invite you to enjoy it in this journey. And I want to talk about medication. Coming down here, what you can expect and what you can't expect. If you're planning on using a drug plan that you have up north and they will send it to you through the mail, say every 90 days, you can't use that down here. If you're down here and you're living here, the Mexican government will not allow drugs to be brought into the country. They'll stop it at immigration, and they will a lot of times just throw it away and not let it come down. So you have to be careful about that. That's a real trick. The other thing is a lot of times, as an example, our medication, because we have to buy it here, we can't buy it in the States and use our Medicare because we don't have a way of getting it down here. It's actually more expensive for us, of course, because we're paying full price here for the medication. And we can't take advantage of the Medicare discounts because we live in Mexico. That's something to consider.
Lori here with Jerry Brown Travel. As we walking in the morning, the people right here, they have a business in front of their house. They have here, this lady, she sells the fresh chicken. Hola, buenos días.
How much is the chicken? ¿Cuánto?
¿Cuánto? Un kilo.
Un kilo 90.
90 un kilo. About 90 pesos for 1 kilo. Now I'm going to show you tortilla factory here.
It's a tortilla factory?
I walk around the neighbor. Now I'm going to show you the neighbor store right here.
And now you'll see a lot of trash like this on the corner. Well, what the neighbors do around here, because they don't have regular weekly or daily trash pickup for the individuals in front of their house. So they just take it, so there's neighbors all coming down here and putting their trash here. And also what happens here, because here the Mexican dogs, they roam the streets, they run around, well, they look for food. So they come down like this, and they'll see like bags like this that are open, and they rip them apart, and they scatter all of the trash all over. And sometimes when you walk by, it stinks a little bit. And so, unfortunately, the taxes are so low here that they don't have the revenues to buy trash trucks. And so they'll come by something like this once a week, scoop it up, throw it in their trucks, and haul it away. It's all in the money. If they had more money and charged more for taxes, they could take care of things like this, like you're getting where you live. I don't know if you've heard this, but in Ajijic, there's a lot of dog crap that's on the sidewalk or on the streets. Let me explain why. You can see right here, as we're walking, there's a little bit of a dog crap here in the street. And so what it is here is that everybody that has a dog that is a Mexican, not everybody, but a lot of them, in the morning, they open the door and they let them go out. They have the whole day to themselves. So they've never been trained about pooping in the street or not pooping in the street. The other thing is the owner isn't around. They went to work or whatever they're doing, and they don't even have the habit of picking it up. They don't even know about the idea of picking up your own dog poop. And that's the reason there's so much dog poop here. They've never been trained. Let's not even think about the mess that these guys make in the streets. Hey, every Saturday or Sunday, every other week, we have a new video for you. 2 p.m. California time. Check it out. Also, please subscribe, leave a comment, and we appreciate you so much. Thank you for viewing.